If you plan on buying from CNFANS, make sure you watch this video to the end, as I will show you everything. Whether you're copying sneakers, designer reps, or accessories, there's a few things you need to know so you don't get scammed. First, for those who don't know, CNFANS is a rep marketplace where sellers from China post items like Jordans, Yeezys, designer bags, and more. It's super popular in the rep community, but it's not beginner friendly. This platform isn't like Amazon or StockX. You're buying directly from individual sellers from China, usually through WeChat, WhatsApp, or Telegram. This means no buyer protection, no returns, and no guarantees unless you're smart about it. Here's what to do before buying. Check the seller's rep. Look for reviews, photos, and comments. Then ask for quality pics. Use a trusted payment method like crypto or Wise is common, but only use PayPal if the seller has a strong reputation. Start small. Don't drop big money on your first order. If a deal seems too cheap, it probably is. Watch out for the sellers with no history, fake reviews, or refusing to send quality check pictures. And never pay through sketchy links or random apps. So yeah, CNFANS can be legit, but only if you do your homework. It's not a plug-and-play site. If you're smart, you can get some fire reps for way less than retail. If this video helped you, make sure you subscribe and like.